Good afternoon. My name is Nick Hoffman, and today I would like to talk to you about plastic waste and how it's taken over our world. Since its invention in 1907, plastic has become a common household commodity in the US and around the world. 19% of all common household items are now made of plastic, and this is due to the increase in manufacturing and our ability to create it cheaply and efficiently. I would like you to think of your morning routine. You probably wake up in the morning, take a shower, brush your teeth, eat breakfast, and go to work or school. Now I would like you to think of all the plastic items that you use just in your morning routine. You probably use something like shampoo or conditioner or body wash that comes in a plastic container. You might brush your teeth with a plastic toothbrush, and your toothpaste probably comes in a plastic container. When you eat breakfast, you might use plastic silverware, or your food might come in plastic packaging such as cereal or eggs, which come in a styrofoam container, which is also a type of plastic. When you get dressed, your clothes might have plastic on them, such as buttons or the plastic pieces that hold the ends of your shoelaces together. What most people don't realize is that 8 million metric tons of plastic enter our oceans each year. And this is a very substantial amount of plastic because it takes 400 years for it to fully decompose. Of all the plastic that enters the ocean, 49% is single-use plastic, such as plastic bags, plastic silverware, and plastic water bottles. 27% comes from plastic fishing gear. 18% comes from non-plastic waste, and 6% comes from other types of plastic. In order to combat this, people need to realize the effect that it has on our Earth. There are 7 different types of plastic, beginning with number 1, which is polyethylene terephthalate. It is recyclable, and it's used to produce plastic water bottles, some types of plastic packaging. And there's number 2, which is high-density polyethylene. This is also recyclable, and it's used to make milk jugs, laundry detergent containers, and some types of plastic bags. Number 3 is polyvinyl chloride, or in other terms, PVC. It is usually not recyclable, and it's used to create plastic pipes such as PVC, shampoo bottles, and medical tubing. Number 4 is low-density polyethylene. It is recyclable. It's used to make plastic films, such as plastic wrap or the plastic film that goes over your frozen food containers. It is also mixed with other types of plastic to create very malleable materials such as squeezable bottles. Number 5 is polypropylene. This is also recyclable. It's used to make caps for bottles, ketchups, and some types of medicines, and many other materials. Number 6 is polystyrene. It is a very versatile plastic. This is also recyclable. It can be used to create foams such as styrofoam, and styrofoam usually is not recyclable. And it is also used to create hard plastics such as CD cases. Number 7 is the miscellaneous type. This is usually for plastics that are mixed with other materials, so it is usually not recyclable. When you're wanting to determine what materials that you have, if they're recyclable or not, from the 1 through 7 scale, you can check with your local recycling plants. There are many other alternatives to single-use plastics, such as plastic bags. You can use a reusable bag when you go to the grocery store. Plastic straws. You can use a metal straw to replace your single-use plastic. For plastic water bottles, you can use a reusable water bottle made of hard and long-lasting type of plastic, or you can use a metal cup. For plastic containers, you can use glass items such as a mason jar. And for your everyday commodities such as shampoo and conditioners, I encourage you to look for products that come in paper packaging because they're less detrimental to our Earth. If everybody takes these steps, we can put a dent in all the plastic waste that enters our ocean.